guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Guys, I'm super excited because we get to continue into the spring series. Soon there's going to be a whole house tour. But for now, today we are continuing to my spring series and we're going to decorate my dining room. Now for those who follow me and follow me very faithfully, know that I have changed my dining room table from this humongous table with all these chairs to this beautiful black modern IKEA table that I'm in love with my small chairs. I mean, it's the new me. And I wanted to go ahead and decorate that table for the spring refresh. And you know, I just want to inspire people that you can still do things minimally, but you can still do them pretty. You know, it doesn't have to be permanent. You know, decor comes and go, it comes out and goes. So you can definitely keep that in the back of your mind when you're trying to transition from cluttered house to a minimal home. You can still keep decor, it just has to make sense. So I'm going to spruce up my dining room table by decorating for spring, and it's a very small table. So if you have a small table in your home and you're a small dining room or whatever like my table is, this can be also an inspiration. Let's decorate our table for spring tablescape. Without further ado, guys, let's get into the video. As we get there, I will tell you guys more. You know me, I can't stop talking. Let's go. Simplicity has become my norm. Less has become my more. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gladys. If you're new here, you're interested in living the clutter-free, simple and minimal lifestyle, you will love this channel. Go ahead and click on that red subscribe button. I would love to have you here. All the oldies but goodies, I appreciate you for returning every week. God bless you. Let's continue the video. Wanted to decorate this table very simple but still bring spring joy. Listen, I just want my home to ooze out of spring. And guys, if you have any questions where any of these items are from, please go ahead and ask me in the comment below. I will be happy to tell you guys what each one of these are from. I don't want to dwell on it because I'm going to do a whole house tour and mention most of them, so definitely stay tuned if you're new here. And I wanted to show you guys how simple it is to get these napkins into these napkin rings. If you don't have yourself a cloth napkin, go ahead and grab them anywhere. My mom gifted me these. I have one of them and the teal, which I love. So I'm just decorating very simple, keeping everything minimal, but I just really want to have some spring, screaming spring. Let's continue watching.